హాయ్ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ యూ వెల్కమ్ బ్యాక్ టు రమారెడ్డి మ్యాథ్స్ అకాడమీ. ఈ వీడియోలో మనం ఏంటి అంటే ఆప్టిమైజేషన్ టెక్నిక్కి వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెససరీ కండిషన్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సఫిషియంట్ కండిషన్ అనేది మనం డిస్కస్ చేద్దాము. ఒకవేళ కనుక ఈ వీడియో ఫస్ట్ టైం చూస్తే దీని ముందు వీడియో పోస్ట్ చేశాను, అది ఒక్కసారి చెక్ చేసుకోండి. ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ అబౌట్ ద ఆప్టిమైజేషన్ ఏంటిది, కన్స్ట్రైన్డ్ ఎప్పుడు, అన్కన్స్ట్రైన్డ్ ఎప్పుడు యూస్ చేస్తాం, వాట్ ఈస్ అ సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్, వాట్ ఈస్ అ డబుల్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ అ మల్టిపుల్, రైట్? నౌ వీఆర్ డిస్కసింగ్ అబౌట్ సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ అన్కన్స్ట్రైన్డ్ ఆప్టిమైజేషన్. ఇక్కడ ఏంటి అని అంటే, ఫస్ట్ let us consider one function. For example, this is x and this is f of x. In that, my function is like this. ఇలా ఉందండి. Okay. Now, this is my a1, this is my a2 and this is my a3. And this is, just a second, I'll take another one, b1. Yes, this is what, b1, b2 and this is like, this is b3. ఓకే, ఇలా తీసుకున్నప్పుడు సపోజ్ దీన్ని ఇంకా కొంచెం ఇలా b3. ఓకే, ఇలా తీసుకున్నప్పుడు సి what is the relative maximum and what is the relative minimum, what is the global maximum, what is the global minimum అనేది మీకు తెలియాలి, right? This is y is equal to f of x. For example, here what is the maximum values, this is the maximum and this is also one maximum and this is also one maximum. Means what, a1, a2, a3 are the relative maximum. Here a1, a2, a3 are relative maximums, right? And but in that, what is the highest maximum, a2, that is considered as a2 is our global maximum. Okay, global maximum antaru. And again, what is the minimum terms, b1, now this is b2 and b3. b1, b2, b3 are what, relative minimum. Relative minimum. In that, our b3 is global minimum. ఓకే, ఫ్రమ్ గ్రాఫ్ ఈ విధంగా మనం ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తాము. మరి అది ప్రాబ్లంలో ఇచ్చినప్పుడు ఏ విధంగా ఐడెంటిఫై చేస్తామనడానికి విల్ కన్సిడర్ వన్ ప్రాబ్లం. బిఫోర్ దాట్ విల్ డిస్కస్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద నెససరీ కండిషన్ అండ్ వాట్ ఈస్ ద సఫిషియంట్ కండిషన్. ఓకే, ఇన్ unconstrained single variable optimization. Here, necessary condition means if a function fx is defined in the interval, which interval, that x lies in between a and b and has a relative minimum at x is equal to x star, aite where that x star is also lies in between ab, lies between ab. If the derivative means the derivative of that function, we can consider it as f dash of x exists as a finite number of these terms, x is equal to x star, then f dash of x star is equal to 0. This is our necessary condition. Then what about the sufficient condition? If f dash star is equal to f double dash star so on f to the power of n minus 1 star, which is equal to 0, but f power n x star is not equal to 0, then that case f of x star is, this is having three values. One is a minimum value of f of x in what, n is even, f power n x star is greater than 0. A maximum value of f of x if n is odd and f power n x star, it should be less than 0. For suppose if n is odd, then what we can say that fx is neither minimum nor maximum. Okay, now let us take one problem and discuss find what are the maximum and minimum values. See, this is a problem. Determine the maximum minimum values of the function. What is the function? The function is given f of x is equal to x power 5. Okay, first, what is the given function here? Let us consider the given function f of x is what? X power 5 minus 5x power 4 plus 5x cube minus 1. Then first, what we have to do, we need to find the maximum minimum values of the given function. For that, we have to calculate first f dash of x, then that equate to 0, you will get the roots of that function. Okay, first find the derivative of this one, means x power n principle, n into x power n minus 1 is what? 5 minus 1 is 4, n 5, n is 4, 4 5s are 20, x power n minus 1 means 3, next 5 3s are 15, x power n minus 1, that is 2, then constant differentiation is 0. Nice. Then after that, what we have to do, f dash x equate to 0 means what? Fx power 4 minus 20 x cube plus 15 x square ni equate to 0 cheste. What is the common term from all these? What is the common? Shall I take x square? 5x square is common, then what is the remaining? X square is remaining. Here x is remaining. 5 4s are 20, right? 4x. Then 5 3s are 15. 3. See, this is what? One is 5x square. Then another one is 3 1s are 3. After simplification, okay, let us simplify this. 3x minus x. If you add these two, we'll get middle term, then multiply these two, you will get 3x square. Okay, correct? Then 5x square into x minus 3 minus 1 into x minus 3. Then what are the factors? This is equal to 0. 5x square is equal to 0. Then okay, do one thing, 5x square is equal to 0, one factor, and x minus 1 is another factor, that is also equal to 0, x minus 3 is another factor. From here x is equal to 0 you will get, from here you will get x is equal to 1, from here you will get x is equal to 3. Then what are the roots? 0 1 3. Then next what we have to do, first find f dash of x equate to 0, you will get the x values. Then after that, find f double dash of x, put those values in our second derivative. Then you can conclude that whether it is relative maximum or relative minimum, like that. Okay, first what we have to do, f double dash of x, this is my f dash x beta, then f double dash means again the derivative of this, 5 4s are 20 x cube, next 23s are 60 x square. Why? Because n into x power n minus 1, n into 2 into x, 2 into 15 30x. No, yes, I got it. Then after that, put x values, means at x is equal to 1, first find at x is equal to 1. Here okay, at x is equal to 1, this is what? 20 into 1 cube, 60 into 1 square plus 30 into 1. What are the values? 20 minus 60 plus 30. 30 plus 20, 50. 50 minus 60 means I got minus 10. See, if the value is negative, what we have to conclude that the given function is a maximum at x is equal to 1. ఏమంటాము మనము? At x is equal to 1, at x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 1 is a relative maximum. That's it. Then again find at x is equal to 3 beta. Come on, put x is equal to 3 in our f double dash of x again. Okay, f double dash of x is 20x cube 60x square plus 30x. Right? Huh. Substitute x is equal to 3, 20 into 3 cube, 60 into 3 square plus 30 into 3. Now I got this value is 90. This 90, this is less than 0, means this is the maximum. Okay, if it is positive means if it is greater than 0, means what? What we have to conclude? At x is equal to 3 is a relative minimum. But what is the relative, what is the minimum of that function అని అడిగారు అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏం చేయాలి? Put this x is equal to 3 in our main function. Please comment what is our f of x3 minimum of that function. What is our maximum? This is relative maximum. What is the maximum value for that function? Put x is equal to 1 in our f of x. Comment చేయండి. What is the value at x is equal to 1 of the function? What is the value at x is equal to 3? Then again what we have to find? At x is equal to 0. At x is equal to 0 means in our f double dash of x, in the place of x substitute 0, right? 20 0 cube 60 0 square plus 30 into 0, right? Is it? Just a second. What is our value? Function value వచ్చిందండి. See, we already discussed in our first video. If the variable is 0, then what we have to do? Then go for the another derivative. అంటే f double dash కి ఇంకొక డెరివేటివ్ f triple dash x కనుక్కోవాలి. అప్పుడు అది ఏమవుతుంది? 60x square minus 120x plus 30. Then after that put x in the place of x substitute 0. అప్పుడు ఇది 0 అవుతుంది, ఇది ఎంత అవుతుంది? 0, ఇది 30 వస్తుంది. అంటే చెక్ ఇఫ్ ద వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 0, మనం అప్పుడు ఏం చెక్ చేయాలి? వెదర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ఆడ్ ఆర్ నాట్. అంటే నైదర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ maximum nor it is a minimum అని రాయాలి. at x is equal to 0, neither maximum nor minimum. ఓకే, ఇంకా మోర్ అండ్ మోర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్స్ తెస్తుంటే మీకు అర్థమవుతుంది బెట. నెక్స్ట్ వీడియోలో ఇంకా ఇప్పుడు సింగిల్ వేరియబుల్ చేసాం కదా, మల్టీ వేరియబుల్ డబుల్ వేరియబుల్ మీద మనం చేద్దాము. బట్ ప్రతి ఒక్కరికి షేర్ చేయండి, లైక్ కమెంట్ కంపల్సరీ. ఆల్ ది వెరీ బెస్ట్. థ్యాంక్స్ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.